Good morning students. Today I am going to cover this topic, use of weil, when, thus for A2. Whenever you use these words, they are used as conjunctions and the sentence will have two parts, Hauptsatz and Nebensatz. Now I will be reading out a passage to you in German. A2 students, I am sure you will be able to understand it. Circa 20 Millionen Menschen in der Welt lernen Deutsch. Sie lernen in Sprachinstituten, Universitäten und Volksschulen. Sie lernen im Kurs oder zu Hause, mit Partnern und auch allein. Sie lernen mit Büchern, CDs oder mit dem Internet. Warum lernt ihr Deutsch? Warum lernen Sie Deutsch? Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich nach Deutschland fahren möchte. So here we have made use of the word weil, which means because. So as you can notice, once again, ich lerne Deutsch. Then there will be a comma and then we'll say, weil ich nach Deutschland fahren möchte. Okay, so here after the wherever you have used weil, the sentence after that is called the Nebensatz or the subordinate clause in German, and the verb in this part of the sentence will go to the end of that sentence. Yeah, again I am repeating the statement. Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich nach Deutschland fahren möchte. Now please look at this second question here. Warum kommt Peter nicht? Peter kommt nicht, weil krank ist. Please notice the position of ist in the second part of the sentence. The first part will be as per the structure, that is, you start with the subject, verb in the second position and negation in the third position. Please read this sentence on the screen. Warum spielt Sonia gut Tennis? Now the answer is supposed to be sie hat gut trainiert. This is a normal sentence. But when we connect it with the help of weil, this verb which is in the second position will go to the end of that sentence without changing the form in which it has been used. So the answer will be Sonia spielt gut Tennis, weil sie gut trainiert hat. Now moving on to das. Es ist wichtig, dass du die Hände wäschst. It means it is important that you wash the hands. Now das is normally used when the first part of the sentence is giving you incomplete information. It is important. So what is important? That. So das is used like that. Es ist wichtig, dass du die Hände wäschst. Or es ist gut, dass die Sonne scheint. It is good that the sun shines. Or ich finde es schön, dass du gekommen bist. So whatever the verb is, if it is a normal verb, then it will go in the end. If it is a Hilfsverb, if the sentence is a perfect sentence with Hilfsverb and Partizip zwei, the Partizip zwei is already at the end. You do not move it. You only change the position of the Hilfsverb and put it in the end. Now let's talk about when. When has two meanings. That is, it can be used as if also, or it can be used as when also. You can read the examples. Wenn ich Hunger habe, esse ich einen Kuchen. So here it is used in the sense of when or if. If I am hungry, I eat a cake. Or when I am hungry, I eat a cake. It could be used either way. Ich komme nicht, wenn es regnet. So here it says, I do not come if it rains, or I will not come if it rains, or I cannot come when it rains. Wenn du traurig bist, kannst du Freunde treffen. Whenever you are sad, you can meet friends. Wenn mein Fernseher kaputt ist, gehe ich lange spazieren. Now in these when sentences, you can also make use of dann, which is optional. If you wish to use it, then it will be used immediately after the comma. The same sentence can be said as wenn mein Fernseher kaputt ist, dann gehe ich lange spazieren. Yeah. Here please notice when is used in the first part of the sentence. So in the first part the verb is at the end and then the comma, and then the second verb or the verb in the second sentence has to come normally unless you are making the use of dann. Wenn es kalt ist, dann trinke ich viel Kaffee, or wenn es kalt ist, trinke ich viel Kaffee. Either of the two can do. Wenn Peter müde ist, ruht sich aus. So again, if Peter is tired, he will relax. Here also, when is used in the first part of the sentence. So here after the comma, I am using the verb root, which is a separable verb. Hence, aus goes to the end of the sentence. If I can also rewrite the same sentence using dann. Then after the comma, we will use dann. Wenn Peter müde ist, dann ruht sich aus. So this is all about wenn, weil and das. For more explanations, we can do it in class whenever we meet. Thank you.